Good morning. It's my work from home today. And I'm not too sure if I'm ready to show you how my studio looks at this point. And don't ask me why I did it. Oh God, I think I should show you guys. I have to be honest. I have to be true to everybody, right? Okay. One, two, three. No, 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 I can't do it. Should I? One, two, three. Okay. Oh, it's not moving. Okay, I think it should move now. One, two, three. Oh, sorry. Ta-da! Oh God. And the worst thing is, I'm still waiting for my matcha. It's 10 o'clock. Oh God. Hello. I have to get back to my work. I had an early morning today and it's extremely busy. Okay, it's not busy, it's good. I need to change the way I say things. So it's been a good morning and yeah. See, I told you. T-shirt upper, pajama niche. Okay, see you. Bye. I have a long day. Talk to you in evening. Bye. Okay, so I've just finished work and now I need to quickly get ready because there's one meeting and I have to go for one dinner. So work is over and my evening's gonna get started. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to get ready for a dinner and I'm running extremely late and I don't know, it's been a very fast day today. I think I just need to slow down. Okay, there's makeup, there's so much to do. I'll catch you in a bit. Bye. I'm just ready. I don't know, I'm a little zoned out today. I'm not too sure why am I feeling that way, but it's okay. I'll be okay in some time. I'm just waiting for the lift to come through. I don't know, sometimes these days can really daze me off. Oh God. Okay. It's going to be a long evening. Look at this. I don't know what are my building people trying to do. What do they want to achieve? Suddenly 2026 is going to be the year of renovation for our building. It's a great building and I'm glad that they're finally doing something about a few things here. But just the view, man. Oh God. ये जो back to back evenings होती है ना and days होते हैं, oh my God, sometimes it can get to my nerves. Oh God. Right. Sorry. I think I need to drop this here. My bag here. And let me hang my dress at the back. Oh bhai, lag ja. Okay. Looks like I'm ready for the evening. At least I like to believe so. Abhi pura black pehna hua hai because I have to meet someone before I go out for this dinner. And I don't think so I'd be able to share much about the dinner, but when I come back, I'll definitely share my experience. Yeah. Okay, Neha, calm down. ऐसे मर जाएगी. Guys, I think I should calm down, right? I'll die. इतना hyper कोई कैसे हो सकता है? वादवा कुड़ी. How can you be so hyper? Just relax. कोई ऐसे डांट देना मेरे को काम चल जाएगा. It's going to be a long weekend also. I know it's only Thursday, but there's just so much things to do. Let's see. I'm happy that there's so much coming my way and I need to tell myself I'm ready to receive all the abundance, all the prosperity, all the good things that's coming my way. Affirmations, they play a major role. Okay, bye. See you. इतनी खफा नहीं जाने ना कहाँ वो दुनिया है जाने ना वो है भी या नहीं जहाँ मेरी जिंदगी मुझसे इतनी खफा नहीं I'm just going to quickly change. I'll have to go to a petrol pump restroom. यहाँ पे दुबई में it's very common. You just go to a petrol pump and the restrooms are so clean and you can literally get ready there and then go for another meeting. That's why the hustle in Dubai is real and so magical and so convenient, and you can really, really grow in Dubai because your facilities, your support system is just amazing. Okay? Traffic है, पर बाकी सब ट्रैफिक तो हर जगह है दुनिया में, दुबई में तो है ना सिर्फ. चलो बाय. Hello everyone. It's 1 o'clock. सब तैयार होगी मैं सब कुछ. It's 1 o'clock at night. I've just come back from dinner and have had an extremely long day. And कल Friday और कल भी बहुत सारा काम है. Not only office वाला काम but आपका vlogging वाला काम भी. So I think I'll call it a day. It was a good evening. I think I was looking decent. On that note, नहीं अभी हम good night करेंगे घर जाके. Bye. So I'm fully tired. I've changed, I've prayed, I've done my skincare, and I'm just going to go to sleep. Yeah, the vibe is still on, but I am tired. Yeah, so I'm going to sleep.